Yes, good morning to all. Now let me take up the fifth part. This consists of 16 marks, 4 questions, 4 into 4, 16. That is 34th question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first term and the AP. So this is a very important problem. So this is very easy also. Now what is given? So let me write what is given in this problem. That is solution. Yes. 4th and 8th term sum of means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24 is the first equation. Now what is A4? A4 is A plus 3D plus A8 means A plus 7D is equal to 24. Now add A's. A plus A means 2A plus 7D plus 3D 10D is equal to 24. Now remove 2 outside the bracket and cancel this 24. That means this implies dividing this equation by 2 means A plus 2 5s are 10 5D. 24 divided by 2 means 12 is the simplified linear equation. This is equation number 1. Now and also this second relationship is given, that is the sum of 6th term means A6 plus A10 is equal to 44 given. Similarly this can be written as A plus 5D plus A10 means A plus 9D is equal to 44. Similarly at S, this means 2A plus that is 14D is equal to 44. Here also remove 2 outside the bracket. This gives you A plus 7D is equal to 22 is the simplified form. Call this equation as 2. Now write this equation number 1 under this. That is equation number 1 is A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to 12 is the equation number 1. These are called linear equations, pair of linear equations. Now solve it. So A has got the coefficients equal, that is equalizing the coefficients. That means you have to subtract this. You have to subtract this. Equation 1 is subtracted from 2 means this sign changes, minus sign. This also minus, this also minus. These two get cancelled. 7 minus 5 means 2D. 2D is equal to 10. This implies D is equal to 10 by 2. This is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. Call this equation as number 1, 2. This is 3. D is equal to 3. Call this equation 5. Call this equation as number 3. Now this value of D is substituted in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus 5D is equal to A plus D is equal to, we got the value of D is equal to 5. Therefore the equation 1 is what? A plus 5D is equal to 12. D is equal to 5 means A plus 5 into 5 gives you 12. A plus 25 is equal to 12. That is, what is A? A is equal to 12 minus 25. How much? 12 minus 25 means this is minus 13. This is called this equation A is minus 13 means call this equation as 4. Now here a is equal to minus 13. This is the answer for the first question. Find the value of a, first term. This is first term. Write down first term. Yes, and d is equal to, that is third equation, 5. Therefore AP can be written as a plus d, a plus 2d is the general form of AP, so on. Only you can write 3 terms, that is minus 13, put a comma, minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 plus 2 into 5 means 10, so on. This is equal to minus 13 plus 5 means you will be getting minus 8. This is minus 3, so on. This is AP, you can verify it, so you will be getting the correct answer. This is the AP, first term and the second term. This is the answer to the first question, and this is the second question, AP. Now 35th problem. Solve graphically. There will be one problem. There will be one problem on solving the graphical linear equations, pair of linear equations. So very simple 2 equations will be given. Even if you give, yes, first of all you have to prepare a table for equation number 1, one table; for equation number 2, second table. This is called this equation as number 1 and call this equation as number 2. Now orally you can find the value of x and y here, because y cancels, equalizing coefficients, plus y minus y cancels, that is 3x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 over 3 means 5. By inspection method you can find out the value of x, that is equal to 5. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So these are all the values. By inspection method we can find out the values of x and y. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. So these are the values you must get graphically. Also you must get these values. Look here, even you can verify the second equation. 2 into 5 means 10, 10 minus 3, 7. Both are correct now. Now prepare this table for 2 marks. Yes, this first one is x plus y is equal to 8. So convert this equation to y equal to mx plus c form. That will be easy. 8 minus x. This is called this equation as same one. Y is equal to mx plus c form. Now prepare the table like this. Usually 2 points are enough to draw a line, but we will be taking 3 or 4 for avoid confusions. Yes, this is x. 1, 2, 3, 4. So another one you can take this values of x and coordinates like this. Yes, this is x, this is y, x comma y. So give any value for x. You can give x as 4. You can give 8 minus 4. This is also 4. You can give 5. 8 minus 5. This is 3. You can give next value 6. 8 minus 6, 2. You can give next value 7. That is 1. So what are the value coordinates? 4, 4 is the one coordinate. 5, 3 is another coordinate. 6, 2 is third one. 7, 1 is fourth one. Similarly, you can take the second equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 7. Therefore, convert this into y equal to mx plus c means y has got negative minus. So transfer this to RHS. Bring this 7 to LHS. That means 2x minus 7 is equal to y. Now reverse the equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 7 is the equation number 2. Similarly, prepare the table. Yes, like this. So these are the tables. Each table if the correct values, you will be getting 1 mark. So for 2 tables, 2 marks. Remember, this here also we can find out the values of x and y coordinates like this. Yeah. X, y, x comma y. Now listen, see, here also you can give like this. Here also 4, it will be convenient, you will be getting positive values. 2 into 4, that is x is equal to 4. 2 into 4, 8, 8 minus 7, 1. Similarly, continue, increase by 1, that is 5. 5 to the 10, 10 minus 7 gives you 3. Again 6, 2 6 are 12, this is 5. Next again 7, 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7. These are the coordinates 4, 1, 5, 3, 6, 5, 7, 7. Look here. Now see the table, observe the table carefully. Both the table consists of the coordinates, same coordinates 5, 3, 5, 3. These are actually values of x and y. So these are the values. So don't think always you need not get this table the same coordinate. No, not necessary. But when you get it, you can immediately guess the values of x and y. Now you have to draw the graph. So you have to draw the graph in the graph sheet only. Remember, I will do here only. Here only. Yes. Here is graph. Yes. Yes. Now look here. Scale. You have to select the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit is a convenient scale. 1 centimeter is one unit in both the axes. In both axes, both x and y axis. Now look here. So here, this is, I will mark like this, mark point. Let it be exactly, it is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 enough. So maximum 7. Yes, y means y maximum 7 here also. Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Now this is the origin. Yes, here also we can minus 1, minus 2, like this also. You can write minus 1, minus 2 here, minus 1, minus 2, like this. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is y axis. You have to write the axis also, x axis. This is x dash, this is y dash. All you have to put plus. Yes, plus, plus, plus. Here also plus, plus, plus. Now come to this one, 4, 4. 4, 4 means here get 4, 4. Here is the point 4, 4. Yes, this is the 4, 4. This is the 4. Next, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. Here is the 3, 3, 5, 3. 6, 2, 6, 2. Yes, here is 2. 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1. Yes. Yeah. Join these 4 points, you get a line. This represents the x plus y is equal to 8 is the equation. Yes, this is the equation x plus y is equal to 8. So you'll be getting another one marks, 3 marks. Now mark another point that is namely 4, 1, another 4, 1, 4, 1, like this. Here is the 4, 1, 5, 3, 5, 3. Here is the 5, 3 means, so coincident, this is common point 5, 3, 6, 5, 6, 5. Yes, here is 65. 65 means here is 5. Third point, 77. 77 is another point, 77. So mark all these 4 points. You'll get another line. Another line. Yes. This represents equation 2. 2x minus y is equal to 7. Now, this is the intersection point. Let me call this point as P. P has got the coordinates. That means if we draw a perpendicular from P to x-axis and y-axis. Yes, and y-axis. Yes. Now, this is horizontal is x coordinate and vertical is y coordinate, means this is x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 3. You must write the solution for the problem. Solution. Yes, don't forget to write this solution. It carries half mark. Solution, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. This is the solution. What you have guessed earlier, we get the same thing. So this is graph carrying 4 marks, remember. Now, here is very interesting problem, 36 problem. It belongs to surface area and volume on this chapter. Yes, very interesting problem. Yes, solution. I will read out the problem. Yes, water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How many area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Yes, this carries 4 marks. Yes, here first of all, this is a channel. Here just only in order to understand, I will writing this one. This is the channel in which water is fully flowing in this channel. Canal. This wide means this is the wide. This is how much? 6 meter wide. 6 meter wide, and depth is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. That means we have to find out this is area of the, it is just like a channel means water store here is flowing. We have to find out the area of cross section. Area of cross section means 6 meter, 6 into 1.5. So many, that is meter square is the area of cross section. First of all, write down a wide of the canal, wide 6 meter. Yes, depth is equal to 1.5 meter. Therefore we have to write that area of the cross section, area of cross section is equal to 6 into 1.5 multiplied, you will get 9.0, that is 9 meters square. Yes, I want this. Now, what is the speed of water? Write down again. Speed of water is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kilometer per hour. Now in this problem you have to see that here irrigability will it irrigate in 30 minutes. Therefore we have to convert this into meter. That is minute. Kilometer means what? Kilometer you have to convert it into meter. Meter per minute, like this. So 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters multiplied by 100 divided by 1 hour means 60. This becomes meter per minute. Meter per minute. So 0 cancels. So now it also 2 divided by 2 means 500 divided by 3. This is 500. This is 3. 500 by 3, it is meter per minute is the speed of water. Speed. So the speed of water, that is in this canal the water flows at the speed of 500 by 3 meter per minute. Yes. Now what you have to do is we have to, yes, in how much minute, that is in 30 minutes. So it flows for 30 minutes. So yes, the volume of water in 30 minutes. This is for 1 minute. This volume of water flows through the canal. Therefore, the volume of water in 30 minutes is equal to 500 by 3 into 30. Yes, into 30 minutes. Yes. Yes. Now, volume of water 500 by 3 into, yes, this is irrigated in 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, I say. Not 30 minutes. Yes. 9 minutes. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Area of cross, you have to multiply the volume into area of cross section. You have to multiply, that means into 9. The area of cross section. Area of cross section. This means area. Now divide it 3. This gives you 1500 s meter square. This is the amount, that is area water that flows. 500 by 3 into 9, this is 1500. Yes. Now in 1 minute it flows 1500 meter square. Yes, meter cube. This is volume, means you have to write it as meter cube. Yes, speed into area of cross section. That means 1500 meter cube. Therefore, hence water flows in 30 minutes. Therefore, water flows in, yes, water flows in 30 minutes is equal to 1500 into 30. This gives you 45 followed by 3 zeros. This is in 30 minutes, half an hour it flows. That is how much of amount of water flows? 45,000 meter cube water flows. Yes. Now here, how much of water, the irrigated land, you have to find the area of the irrigated land. In 30 minutes this much of water flows. So the height of the water irrigated in 30 minutes, if 8 centimeter standing water is needed, that means 8, you have to convert this 8 centimeter here. 8 centimeter is converted into 8 by 100 may convert into meter, that is 0.08 meter. That is area irrigated. Area irrigated is equal to volume. This is height. Here height. Volume over height. This is equal to, volume means 45,000 over height means 0.08. Now if you simplify it, remove the decimal place and put 2 zeros, and after that divide it by 8, you'll be getting 5, 6, 2 5 2 zeros. Yes, area irrigated means it is area expressed in meter square. This much of area is irrigated. So this is the problem. Yes, this is, of course, this is not an easy one. We have to work out several times. Now 37, that is the fourth one. There is only one choice in this 4th marks problem. There will be one choice. So I have not worked out the choice problem. Yes, so only I am working the 4th problem. This is the 4th one. There is a construction. Read out the problem. Construct a triangle ABC of side AB is equal to 3.5 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm. BC is equal to 2AB, like this. So BC is not given exactly length, but it is 2AB. So now what is AB? 3.5. So solution for the problem. First of all, you have to construct the triangle. So for which you will be getting that is 2 marks. Yes, AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. AC is equal to 6 centimeter, and BC is equal to 2AB. 2AB means 2 into 2.5. 2 into 2.5 gives you 7 centimeter. Yes, so these are the measurements of the triangle ABC. Now, yes, now construct a triangle ABC given BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Construction, write down like this. This is BC, take the bigger one as the base BC, and AB as 3.5 centimeter, and AC as 6 centimeter. Now cut it. This is the point A. Join AB and join AC. Yes. Now this is the required triangle. Now you be getting, use the pencil, sharp pencil, and very good compasses. Remember. Now what you have to do is this: draw a line making an acute angle with B, like this. Like this. Now again you have to read the problem. Construct another triangle similar to it whose sides are 5 by 4. Remember here 5 by 4. That is the ratio. 5 by 4. It is bigger is 5, smaller is 4. Now what I have to do with B as center, at a radius, convenient radius, draw an arc with the same radius, another arc, say another arc, another. So you have to mark there is 5 points on this BX line. Name it as PQ or ST. Yes. Here it is a confusion one. Don't join TC. It will be wrong. You cannot. Yes. Now what you have to do? We have to consider the 4 one, smaller one. Now join this yes. S and C. Join SC. Yes. Now here we have to produce this BC. Yes, so you have to produce this BC. And similarly, we have to produce this AB. Yes. Now we have to draw a parallel to SC through T only. Through T only you have to draw a. You know the method of parallel, drawing the parallel. Draw the parallel like this. Yes, with a convenient radius at SR. Draw an arc. Similarly, yes, you have to draw another arc like this. And you have to take this length, S or X length, with SS center, mark it. Now join T and this is Y. Join TY which touches yes, this is the point C dash. I will write here 5/4. This is C dash. Now from C dash, you have to draw another parallel, that is to CA. Now take this as convenient radius, draw an arc with the same Yes, draw an arc and take this as the radius, cut that arc and join it. You will get another line parallel to it. Yes. Yes, this is the line, this is A dash, this is C dash, A dash is parallel to CA. Now these are the parallel lines you have to draw like this, mark like this. These are the parallel lines. Now this is the required triangle is A dash, B, C dash. If 5/4 is, that is it is the ratio is more than 1 means we will get a bigger triangle. That means the new triangle, required triangle is A dash, B, C dash. Given triangle is ABC. These two are similar. You have to write like this. Triangle ABC similar to triangle A dash, B, C dash. Always you have to write like this. This is the construction. Yes, you can write like this. BC as that is 7 centimeter here. This is 3.5 centimeter. This is AC as 6 centimeter. Usually they measure the sides of the other triangle will not be usually not be asked. Supposing if they ask means you have to measure this new sides. Now last one is one theorem. A theorem. Yes. Like 38. That is the last question. Last question. Yes. Yes. 38 is the last question. This carries 5 marks. 5. Now, here is one first question. A means state converse of Pythagoras theorem. Solution I will write like this. You have to be converse of Pythagoras theorem. Proof is not required. Proof will not be asked. It has removed. Only the statement can be asked like this. State converse of Pythagoras theorem. Come on. Statement write down. Yes, statement. Statement. Of course, statement of converse of Pythagoras theorem. Begin inverted comma. Right now. Yes. In a triangle, you have to start with in a triangle. In a triangle, the square on the greatest side take this as if in a triangle, here we can write like this. If the square on the greatest side is equal to the sum of the squares in a triangle, if the square on the greatest side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, put a comma, then those two sides contain a right angle. This is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse statement is it. In a Pythagoras theorem, we define like this. In a triangle, a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. But in the converse, we have to start with in a triangle. If the square on the greatest side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, then those two sides contain a right angle. Next, But for the theorem, it will not be given. This theorem will not be given for proof. But a proof, the another theorem is given. Prove that the areas of the two similar triangles are proportional to the squares on the corresponding sides. Squares on the corresponding sides. This is A. You have to write like this B. Look here. So we have to, first of all, we have to draw the diagram. Diagram is very important. For proving the theorem, we have to write the diagram. Without diagram, if you prove it, no marks will be given. Yes, two triangles I will write like this. One triangle, another triangle. Of course, if you draw an equal triangle, nothing happens. Call this as A, B, C. Call this as D, E, F. So write down data. Two similar triangles given. That means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. It is given. Now what do you want to mean by similarity? The angles are equal and the sides are corresponding sides are proportionate. That means this implies what? Angle A is equal to angle D. Let me take up this angle A to be equal to BD. And let this angle be equal to E. And the third one, I put the dot like this, and this is equal to D. F. Yes, angle A is equal to angle D, and angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. This is F. F. And also, you have to write this proportionality. AB divided by these two sides are corresponding sides. Opposite to C, opposite to F, like this. AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF is equal to BC divided by EF. So it comes under data. What is to be proved? I will write like this to prove that. To prove that. To prove that, so I will write here. To prove that, yes. To prove that. Area of the triangle. Yes, area means I will write AR, area of triangle ABC whole over. AR means area of triangle DEF is equal to squares on corresponding sides. Squares on the corresponding sides means that, sorry, I will be taking here, don't confuse it, don't take AB here, you have to take BC base. I will be drawing perpendicular to BC. I will draw perpendicular to EF here. Therefore, consider the sides BC base always. It is convenient also. BC square over on base is EF square. Remember, EF square. Construction now. Construction. Construction. Only thing is from A, AM is drawn perpendicular to BC. AM is drawn perpendicular to BC in the triangle ABC, and DN is drawn perpendicular to, yes, EF. Yeah, this is enough. You need not write in sentence perpendicular. Now, here proof, very important one is proof. Whenever you write proof, you have to write statement, reason. Statement, reason. Now, what you have to do like this. Area of the triangle, then that is, I will be taking like this. Area of the triangle, area of triangle ABC over, yes, you have to, I have not drawn the perpendiculars, we have to draw like this, dotted lines. Always constructions means it is dotted lines. Like this. This is M, this is N. Now look here. Area of triangle ABC over area of triangle DEF is equal to, put a line like this, half, what is the formula? Half the base means half into base into AM is the height, perpendicular down the text to the opposite side. Similarly, half into EF into S, that is DN. Now cancel these halves. This half get cancelled. Yes. What is remaining? This BC over EF, put a bracket and make it separate. BC over EF into AM over DN. Call this equation as 1 now. Yes. Here. Now see this one. If AM over DN is replaced by BC over F, you will get BC square EF square. That is the result you will be getting. Yes, sir. Yes, BC square over EF square. Look here. Therefore what? So I have to see the diagram, comparing the triangle ABM and DN. In the triangle, you have to write like this. In the triangle ABM and DEN. Yes. What you have observed? Yes. Here that is angle B is equal to, that is, this is 90, this is also 90. Angle B is equal to, here angle B is equal to angle E, that is data. I have to write the reason, data. And angle M, perpendicular this, angle M is equal to angle N, each is equal to 90 degree. This is by construction. Now in the two triangles, if two triangle angles are equal, then these two triangles are congruent according to AA criterion. Yes, directly I will write, I need not prove the third one. Yes, therefore triangle ABM similar to triangle DEN. You have to write like this, AA criterion. AA, two angles are enough. The third angle will be automatically equal. Criterion. Yes. So if these two triangles are similar means the, yes, AM side you can write the proportionality, AB by, therefore AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. I need not the third one, BM and DN I don't want. So call this equation as number 2. But what in data, what is in data? AB over DE is equal to, AB over DE is equal to AC over DF is equal to BC over EF. Comes. This call this is equation 3. This is data. I am writing the same data again. Now look here. AB by DE, AC over DF and is equal to BC over EF. Look here. This is here AB over DE here is. Therefore, these two are equal according to axiom. Therefore, AM by DN is equal to BC over AF. Therefore, from 2 and 3, AM over DN is equal to BC over EF. Call this equation as 4. Now, yes, already given the equation number 1. Replace the AM by DN by BC over F. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, therefore, area of triangle ABC over area of triangle DEF equals, yes, BC over EF into, yes, BC over EF here AM over DN, that AM over DN is equal to BC over EF. Again you have to write BC over EF. Yes, you have to write from 2 and 3, that is 2 and 3, from 2 and 3. Or you can write from 4, already written from 4. Yes, therefore what? This is equal to BC into BC, BC square, EF into EF, EF square. Therefore, area of the similar triangle, therefore, area of triangle ABC over area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square over EF square. Hence proved. You have to write like this. Hence proved. So this is the theorem. Remember, this is of course it seems to be lengthy one, but not a big one. But you have to always you have to understand the theorem, and you have to write without leaving anything. And first of all, you have to draw the diagram. Very, very important. Without writing the diagram, if you prove, no marks will be given. Remember this always. So thank you one and all. I have solved all the entire, that is model paper prepared by me. I have worked out all the 38 problems, but only thing is I have not worked out the choice problems. Yes, I have worked out all the 38 problems. So it is your duty to work out several times. Even when the problem is very difficult, you have to work out several times. So thank you all and all the best.